Let me get you ready, okay? Are you ready to eat almost? Oh, yes. We are good. Hi. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna keep your hands in here, okay? I'm gonna try to keep your hands in here. Sorry, baby. I literally just took out your onesie and I left it over there. Alright. You can't be in that onesie anymore. But this does remind me of that onesie. Okay, ready to eat now? Yummy, yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Hi. Hi.
I'm Samantha. I'll be your instructor for the day. Are we ready to have some fun? Yes! Okay, now first, we need to get you fitted for some handy-dandy equipment. Come on over here. It's always important to wear the right shoes and helmets on the climbing wall.
You know, I'm gonna get you something else. I forgot the spoon for you.
How do they feel? Great! I feel like a real rock climber. Now it's your turn, Caillou. Don't be shy. Have them on. It's okay, Caillou. There. Now you look like a real rock climber, too. They're too small. Are you sure, Caillou? You seem to fit fine. Let's try on your helmet. There, look. It's a perfect fit. Really? It feels, kind of big.
He knew the shoes and helmet fit fine. He was just feeling a little nervous. But he didn't know how to tell anyone.
I'm sure they're okay, Caillou. Now, my little climbers, we need to rub this chalk on our hands before we start climbing. I'm not allowed to draw my hands. That's okay, Caillou. The chalk is so your hands won't be slippery. That's right. Here, we want you to have messy hands. Come on, I'll show you the climbing wall. So, like fun, right? Yes!
Caillou was worried. Climbing wasn't as big as he imagined it, but it was still very tall.
Can we climb now? You're an eager
Are you
beaver,
done with
aren't
your
you?
napkin? Yeah?
I need to show you how the harnesses and ropes work.
Stop grabbing that. You literally got your hands out to me. You know, I can't keep you in that. Wait, you know what? I think I can keep you in that onesie. It does zip off from the bottom, so.
Don't worry, I'll be here the whole time in case you need any help. Okay, climbers, find this pocket.
no one would notice.
I already know, like, about everything about these things where, like, we don't want to keep the children restrained. But I have to do it for this, so. It's probably just doing more better. Alright, so. I just took this out of there, but I just don't want to keep your hands like this, but oh gosh, this is just not going to work out. You know, huh? You know these things. When you used to be wrapped around these things, you used to not like it in the hospital for those couple of days that you were in there. And then when I took you out, you used to laugh about it. But you understand them. I know you do because your attitude when I put them on you, you know. So that's probably not you naturally. But all right, let's get these on you, okay? It's just too tricky for you from reaching. It's okay. It's okay. You're gonna be fine. No worries. There.
And then another step, and another step. He was beginning to get good.
You want to keep putting your fingers in your mouth. That's why I've got to do this, okay? Alright, there's your little swaddler. Oh boy. You're nuts. What happened? Ah! That was so new. I've never seen that before. That was like the first time. Where's your spoon at? Did you drop it out? No, right? You still got it in there somewhere. Alright, so this spoon is like, it holds inside. So there's some that hold out on both sides with something like silicone in this area that's opening, but I got this one because it seems like he needs help. Oh boy. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, you're gonna be in there for a little while because I don't want you all over the place right now. He went to go take out the paints earlier this midnight, so we have to be up at these times because the dad isn't here to help. Look, he's eating it so great too. I know it sounds like I'm saying the things in the background, but look at this.
Caillou makes a meal.
Caillou and Rosie were having fun playing together. Rosie liked copying her big brother.
That's one sound you won't be able to copy, Rosie.
Are you getting hungry, Caillou?
Is it almost dinner time?
It is. It's Friday night, and you know what that means.
No, but not pizza night! I love pizza night!
Did somebody mention
You want pizza, Hayla?
Hey, I have an idea. Why don't we make pizza tonight?
But we always order pizza.
It might be nice shapes, Caillou. We have fresh dough in the refrigerator.
And lots of yummy toppings, so we can make pizza just the way we like it.
Caillou wasn't so sure. Making pizza seemed like it would take a long time.
Faster isn't always better, Caillou. Besides, there's nothing more fun than making homemade pizza.
hands are out. Oh boy, you're so excited. OMG, you're literally excited about this. I'm gonna have to fix your swaddler because I don't want your hands up here, okay? You have to give me some time. You love it, huh? It's better than the whole clump of food? Is that what it is? Wow, am I feeling it for you? Wow. That's so unnatural, but look, this is so good for you. Yum. Mm. It's okay, let me just get your hands more, you know. I'm sorry, baby, if I don't cover you. I know you hate it, but oh boy, come on now, come on. Calmly. Calm.
You and Rosie can have your own pizza. And you can put on some tomato sauce.
Don't you even dare. Don't you even dare.
Okay, I think that's enough pizza
It's okay. You have to have patience.
How's it going, Caillou?
Great! I'm making a picture, but I want it to be a surprise.
I'm sorry, baby. This spoon doesn't really give you more.
We'll set the timer for 15 minutes. Push this little button right here, Caillou. Now we'll wait for the timer to ring. Tell us when
Okay, I'm gonna go back to the other, okay? You just gotta wait for me.
Caillou didn't want to wait for the pizzas to be done. He wanted to eat right
It's a little
away.
bit more messier and time taking. Okay, I'm gonna just put that one down, okay? Alright, let's give you some of this right here. Come here. Come here.
I don't think we maybe we should play for a few minutes until they're done. I know! We can play restaurant. I'll be the waiter and you can be my customer. Okay.
I've never been to Caillou's Pizza Parlor before. What a lovely place.
My name is Caillou, and I'll be the waiter. And I take your pizza order?
Sure, let's see. Would you like to order 22 pizzas, please? I'm very hungry.
Okay.
What would you like? He was having fun being a waiter. He even pretended to write down his customers' orders.
Let's see. We'll have one with chicken and mushrooms.
That's right. Peppers. How about a pineapple and pizza?
Well, maybe a cauliflower and
Mashed potatoes? Okay.
It's a big baby fly right there.
Caillou was laughing so much.
Wow, look at that freaking. It went inside of your freaking little bib area. Wait, get out of there.
What do you think, Caillou? It's yummy. I think we
I
should
see you.
Friday night.
I see you.
Caillou's Pizza Parlor is a
Bo, bo, bo,
big
bo.
success.
Good, good, good. Keep your eyes up. Keep your eyes up.
I learned that making food at home can be lots of fun.
At Fisher Price, you're here for your first year. You're the kid who can play Jim. Here with the popular Purple Monkey song. Here with the twin that goes with them. The #1 Jim in the world. Only from Fisher Price. Childhood starts here.
Is your cable internet slowing you down? Are you falling a step behind? And are you out of sync? Introducing T-Mobile Fiber Home Internet with bandwidth and upload speed to get a step ahead. T-Mobile Fiber, just $70 a month for 2 gig speed with a 10-year price guarantee.
So, you want to put the heavy items on the bottom. Such a good job, right? You'll know more coffee with everything.
Latte for Jan?
Yeah, latte for Jan. You know what's here? Latte for Jan?
I wouldn't have thought that.
Do it. And Jan as in January. Canned goods, latte, root beer, and probably sandwich cookies.
Progressive can protect you from the internet, but we can't protect your home much longer with us.
Could be Jan, I guess. Jan?
Caillou's a new groove.
Caillou's mommy and daddy were going away on an overnight trip.
Something tells me you wouldn't be interested in a grown-up golf trip.
But who's going to take care of us?
Don't you remember? Grandma and Grandpa are going to spend the night.
Yay! Grandma, Grandpa!
That's probably them now.
Hi there, Caillou.
Hello, Rosie. Thanks for coming over to take care of the kids. It's our pleasure. We're going to have lots of fun today.
Let me clean you up right here, okay?
Have fun with Grandma and Grandpa.
Watching mommy and daddy always gave Caillou a funny
1 second, 1 second.
Rosie felt even worse.
It's okay, Rosie.
There, Rosie. We're going to have so much fun together. You and I and Grandpa and Caillou.
Have a good time.
Caillou noticed how quiet the house was without mommy and daddy.
Who's hungry for grilled cheese sandwiches?
I'm hungry.
Caillou loved grilled cheese sandwiches. He couldn't wait to eat lunch until Grandma served the sandwiches a little differently.
That's not how Mommy makes them. She always cuts them straight across. And Mommy gives us blueberries with carrots, not celery.
Not to worry. Grandpa and I just do things a little differently, but we'll work it out. Here you go.
Oh no, those aren't for Caillou. These ones are, right, kids? How about these ones? These.
There. Now everybody's happy.
Caillou and Rosie were happy. Grandma's grilled cheese sandwiches were almost as good as mommy's.
Grandpa, can you tie my shoe, please?
I sure can.
That's not the way Mommy does it.
It's a double knot to make sure they're nice and snug. There, see? Now they're super tagged, never to come undone shoes.
Caillou still wasn't sure he liked how Grandpa tied his shoes, but they certainly were very snug.
I can't find it, Caillou. How about Froggy?
No, I always have a basket like Froggy.
Well, maybe you'll just have to do things differently this time. Froggy here could be lots of fun.
Hey, can I try?
Caillou had to admit Froggy was kind of fun.
I don't want a different pair of jammies. I want my horsey jammies.
But they're in the wash, Caillou. Oh well, I like different jammies. Maybe they'll fit me. Who do you put on?
Oh, you're so cute.
This go on your head?
I want your gums to feel great.
Like a cake. How about backwards?
No.
You got it. Yay, you got it.
Ah, so that's how it goes on.
Good. You got it, baby. You got it. I didn't think he was going to be able to do that because it's his first time using this spoon and he's a baby. So he doesn't really know how to just go for the things. But, you know, foods are going to help him talk, and this spoon is going to help his jaw movement, his teeth and his tongue movement be more to what he would prefer, what he wants.
Ooh, then Mama Bear should sound like I'm Mama Bear.
Listen, Mama Bear talks like this. Mama Bear talks like this.
Caillou liked Grandma and Grandpa's new voices. They were even
I don't know why they're
sillier than
stalking me,
Daddy's.
literally, I don't know.
Oh dear, we better finish this story. It's almost bedtime.
Grandma, I know something different we could try.
You do? What's that?
Letting me and Rosie stay up late.
I think that might be a little too different for tonight. Hi, did you have a nice trip?
We sure did. What's happening over here?
We decided it's okay to do things differently, like sitting upside down.
Oh, that's right. And sitting right side up is still my favorite.
Did Grandma and Grandpa have to go now? And I guess I will too.
I think we can stay a bit longer.
Yay!
Now, who wants grilled cheese sandwiches? With carrots.
Me too. Caillou and Rosie realized that doing things differently can be just as much fun.
Caillou goes bowling.
Did you have fun at preschool today, Caillou?
Yes, and I have a surprise for you.
asleep almost. Oh, you're okay. You want to lay down, huh? You're so cute. Let me go get you. No more? No more. You're done, huh? You want a little bit? Okay. I'm so It's okay. I'll grab you. No. You can't do that. You gotta go that way. No, you gotta go that way. Yeah, that way over there. Oh, baby, be careful. Fall asleep right now. Let me pet him for a while. Pet baby. Pet baby too. 6-year-old's his. And it's not for you to play with. Sorry.
No. No, yeah, yeah, no, no, no.
Baby, go and watch what you wanted to watch. Do that. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Yes or no? I'm using it. Go watch. No, I need it. It's holding the phone. No, I need it. It's holding the phone. No, I need it. It's holding the phone. You don't need it. It's not even yours. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Let it go. Yeah, it's like kind of almost great. We just gotta like get adjusted to the baby's schedule. Not him. Because he's kind of loose, easy. You know? I found the time to give him cereal, right? That's why they came here. But I wasn't able to feed him the cereal because they try to control this baby's schedule, and it's just not good for me because I'm losing sleep. It's up there. It's up there. Kayla, it's up there. Up there. No, right there. Yeah, on the black bag. On it. Yeah, right there. Come here. No. Come here. No, come here. You know it's right there, right? Can you see it right there? Can you see it, yes or no? Right there. Right there. Right there. You're so cute. Oh. Up there. Right there. You're so cute. Back away. Go play over there in the living room. On the couch over there in the living room, please. Please, thank you. He's so cute. He's literally just falling asleep. so weird. While I look like myself, I'm supposed to look like something else. Like, it's just this whole entire AI thing, nearby thing, new camera feature things. It's just so weird.